All right, Steve and Jen here. We are with Park Journey at SeaWorld Orlando. We are about to ride Icebreaker for the first time. This ride has been sitting here for 2 years waiting on COVID to cooperate. And I think it's finally cooperated enough, or at least Florida says so. So this thing's gonna launch 4 times, twice backwards, twice forward. It's gonna have airtime, it's gonna have fun. From Premier Rides. The comfort collar for comfort. Sunny Florida, here we are. Lots of airtime. That backwards airtime in that third launch was a little bit weird, but that was great. Alright, that was Icebreaker. SeaWorld Orlando. Pass over to previous start.